Who's your husband?
John.
John's your husband.
Hannah and Morgan.
Hannah and Morgan, they all got this for you, okay, Caitlin? Oh, that's excellent, Katie. Would you like me to read the card for you? It says, I like these kind of cards. Merry Christmas, Matthew and Katie, we miss you. Love Hannah, Sherry, John, and Morgan. Oh, Christmas tree, candy cane.
Oh my God.
You got a pillow pet. You got a pillow pet.
Oh,
A ladybug. Is he a girl or a boy?
A girl and I'm a pony. A girl and then you got a pillow pet. That's what you wanted.
What's her name?
That's all it's in there.
Shelly.
Hey, Katie, look at the.
Why don't you call it Sherry?
Why don't you? Hey, Katie, can you look at the camera and say thank you, Sherry?
Say thank you, Sherry. Thank you.
What are you gonna call your pillow pet, Katie?
Just like you gonna call it Sherry?
You can call it Sherry or Morgan or Hannah.
Morgan.
You gonna call it Morgan?
Yeah, because Morgan's your favorite.
Why don't you call it John? Or Harlan Jr.
Yeah.
Morgan's my favorite.
Oh, Morgan, your favorite. That's because you had to.
Yeah.
So you like the rebellious ones, huh?
Yeah, the ones that have cell phones. I had the ladybug.
What's Ladybug's name?
Hannah.
Okay. Go ahead, Matthew.
How about Mana? No, Nana. Yeah.
Open yours, Matthew.
Mimo. Oh, that's cute. They get pop out. The sugar cookie. They get pop out.
All right, open the box though, Ding Dong.
That's all it was. What?
It pops out. This is a pillow. Oh. It's a candle warmer. Thank you, Sherry.
It's an Ohio State candle warmer.
No, it's Tennessee.
Oh, they must have been on sale up in Ohio.
Yeah, maybe.
Usually, Matthew, you can find those on sale. You can find those on sale, Matthew, if they don't have at least a 500 season.
This pops out too.
But they do play tomorrow night in a bowl game.
This pops out.
Oh, it's so
Pretty
nice.
cool, ain't it?
And it smells just like John's tube.
There's handmade potato chips on that.
I can lay on the
No, John's inner tube that goes behind the boat.
I got pillow pet. I got pillow pet.
A lucky boy.
Okay.
Mommy, do you like my pillow pet?
All right, I love your
Pretty
pillow
cool.
pet.
And these are the things that you put in there.
I pop it out.
Hey, put the ball in. Pick all your mess up.
Hey, what do you think I'm doing, mister?
Pick it up as you go.
A girl.
I just bet
Just
you
say
made
thank
it.
you, Sherry.
Thank you, Sherry.